that Corvette might look familiar to you. That's the Corvette Kid. He happens to be in my town, so let's go ahead and go say hi. Definitely be following him on YouTube. I'll throw a link and grab him on Instagram too, right there.
How's it going, man?
How's it going?
Good to see you.
Nice to meet you. I'll put a link to his channel in my description, and congrats on 1,000 subscribers.
Appreciate it. I know you've been following me since like the first 50, so it's crazy.
Yeah, you've been following me since the beginning too.
Yeah,
so
we've kind of all been in it together. You, me, and then I don't know, Yellow Vet 04.
Yep.
Yeah, we're all kind of been there together, and then One Brain 4 Wheels. I don't know if you know him. So kind of like 4 of us just kind of started at the same time, and it's crazy just growing at the same time. And
yeah, no, it's been awesome.
Yeah.
So funny little side note, you guys probably haven't seen the video yet, but I was actually right down the street from Carlisle where they had all the Corvettes. So definitely go over to his channel and check that out, because I didn't go, but I know for sure that he did, Katie did, so go check that out. I would go right. Get out of this area.
Have you been in a Corvette before?
The older ones, yeah. Okay. I've actually never been in a C7, which is hilarious for how long it's been out.
Yeah. Yeah, they let us sit in the C8s, which was cool.
Yeah.
There was like 4 of them you could sit in.
Awesome.
Yeah, it felt pretty good. Felt similar.
You do not want to go off of it full speed. I'll let you know once we're out of that area. There's 2 more, or I think 1 more actually around this corner.
Yeah, I've gone over a speed bump once, like
full speed,
50 or 80 or something.
Does the car lift like that?
No.
Plus it bounces off all the trees.
Yeah, it's probably...
Alright, this one has a tiny curve, so you wanna... It's like, or sorry, it's a wide curve, it's a tiny like span. Truck, like basically you have to end up going wide, otherwise you go into the tree. You'll see. Yeah, exactly. First time through, it's kind of dangerous, especially when people come up this way because they actually cross the yellow line. Yeah, it's a bad ordeal, especially on the bike. This is a nice straightaway. my car. This is an extremely nice car. And believe it or not, guys, this is the first time I've been in a C7. I'm not even sure how that's possible.